been heightened outside the Golden Temple complex in Amritsar, as today is the anniversary of Operation Blue Star, the military action ordered by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1984. To get a sense of the situation on ground, we have Amandeep joining us from outside the Golden Temple complex. Amandeep, good morning to you. You're outside the Golden Temple complex. Today is the Operation Blue Star anniversary. Give us a sense on the ground situation right now about the security that is in place on the 37th anniversary of Operation Blue Star.
Exactly, Krishna. 37 years have been passed, and even today, again, the anniversary of Operation Blue Star is being observed at Akal Takht inside the
Operation Blue Star is being observed at Akal Takht inside the Golden Temple, where I can show you the visuals that prayers are being made, just because the reason behind is every year SGPC conducted prayers, just because in Operation Blue Star the head of entire Sikh religion, Akal Takht, was being demolished by the army guns, and that is the reason every year they observe prayers in the memory of that day. Just because 6 June 1984 Operation Blue Star was completely concluded, and even after that army has evacuated the entire premises of the Golden Temple, and you can see they all came here to participate in this day. Every year the similar pictures remain happen, and in fact, Crispino, today is the Sunday, and Golden Temple is the place that is always loaded with the religious beliefs. And even if I can show you the camera, I am completely surrounded by the people. On the weekend, on the Sunday, maximum footfall is being witnessed at the Golden Temple, just because the people full of religious belief came here from the different parts of the country to pay obeisance. And even on the other side, today the Operation Blue Star anniversary is also being observed. So two main events today is happening at the Golden Temple. That is the reason the people are gathered here in a maximum number. Even if you can see this is this site where the prayers are being observed by the SGPC. Every year SGPC, Shromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, is responsible to hold the prayers on the anniversary of Operation Blue Star. But meanwhile, security has been beefed up by the local police. Almost 6,000 policemen have been deployed on the ground, and even inside the Golden Temple premises also. The people in the civil uniforms with the intelligence tags are here to gather the intelligence, just to avoid any kind of untoward incident. And even outside the Golden Temple, there was high number of police deployment is being done to avoid any kind of law and order situation. So this is the entire scenario. Even 8:30 would be the timing when the prayers would be concluded today, and then the day is being observed after 37 years. People are still having a lot of sentiments even after 37 years of that incident, and even the number of people you can see. The most important part is, I would like to tell you, Crispino, that January 26 accused Deep Sidhu is also remained present. We are being told by the intelligence sources that he has just entered the premises to participate in the prayers of Operation Blue Star anniversary. He is also being here to join this day, to be a part of this day. So this is the entire scenario, Crispino. I can explain you, but 8:30 is the timing that every year by 8:30 the people will gather at the maximum number outside the Akal Takht, and the prayers will be concluded in the memory of Operation Blue Star that demolished the Akal Takht building. And every year they observe the prayers for the betterment of the Sikh religion and for the Golden Temple and for the Akal Takht. Yes, Krishna.
Right, certainly security having been tightened there where you are reporting from. That's the Golden Temple complex, and people observing the memory of the 37th anniversary of Operation Blue Star. So one more question I'd like to ask you is that, today also the SGPC had announced as well that they will make public the beard of Guru Granth Sahib that received a bullet injury. What are the plans of the SGPC today?
Exactly, Crispino. It was being decided just because the anniversary Blue Star is being observed from 1 June to 6 June and prayers are being concluded on the 6th June. And meanwhile, the SGPC have taken the decision to bring that holy book which was shot by the Indian Army. They were put on the display on the demand of the Sikh religion, and in fact now it would be visible for the public with the bullet also which was intacted into that holy book. So this decision was taken by the SGPC just to explain the entire scenario. And today itself, after concluding the prayers, SGPC will hold the press conference and release their statement that what their plans and how they have observed the entire Blue Star anniversary. And even if I can show you, Crispino, he's the Deep Sidhu here. Deep Sidhu is also I told you that he joined the Operation Blue Star anniversary, and in fact now you can see Deep Sidhu is very much here just because it is all about time is very near to conclude the prayers. And Deep Sidhu, who is the accused of January 26 Red Fort violence, he has also joined this day, and the visuals are on our screen. Clearly Deep Sidhu is paying obeisance to the Golden Temple, and now he will be joining that event at Akal Takht Sahib, and the prayers where the prayers were being observed. You can see the people surrounded by the people. Deep Sidhu is here. He always release such kind of statements that can be avoided giving in the favor of Sikh religion. But you can see that Deep Sidhu is here. I can show you the visuals that people he was completely surrounded by the people. So these kind of events, everyone wanted to participate, and even Deep Sidhu is the one who is the prime accused, the prime conspirator of that January 26 Red Fort violence event. And today is the day when the SGPC and Deep Sidhu will going to hold the conference after observing and concluding the prayers. But there are certain things that need to be understood. That intelligence inputs are very much here to avoid any kind of untoward incident. Intelligence is all here, and even they have a huge network inside the Golden Temple, and they are gathering each and every moment. They are analyzing each and every person who is visiting and participating in this Operation Blue Star anniversary. It is a religious event just because Akal Takht Sahib building was demolished on that day, and today every year they try to revisit the memories, they try to pray for the betterment. But meanwhile there are certain kind of people, extremists, who raise their own demand of Khalistan, who raise their own slogans of Khalistan, and SGPC obviously counter them to stop here, not to raise such kind of demand at this religious event. So this is the entire scenario, Crispino, and let's wait and watch what will happen at 8:30, just because after concluding the prayers, this movement will be started at the Golden Temple and the people will gather in more number.
Right, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. You continue getting us all the latest there.